All right, let's just jump right into this explainer. Today, we're going to expose a massive, hidden risk in your enterprise compliance strategy. Look, if you're the one managing your organization's information security, there is a very good chance that an invisible vulnerability is actively undermining all your hard work behind the scenes. But don't worry, we're not just going to talk about the problem. We're going to systematically break down the exact operational pitfalls that lead to severe audit failures and, more importantly, how you can deploy an authoritative master tracking framework to permanently secure your compliance future. So, let me ask you a tough question right out of the gate. Are your decentralized spreadsheets silently brewing a catastrophic audit failure? It's a scenario we see playing out in businesses across the globe. You've got different stakeholders, department heads, and IT managers all keeping their own separate local spreadsheets to track security objectives. And sure, on the surface, it looks like everyone is doing their part, right? But underneath, that fragmentation is literally a ticking time bomb just waiting to go off during your next audit. Here is the core operational risk we need to talk about: decentralized version drift. It's kind of like an orchestra where every single musician is reading a slightly different version of the sheet music. It's going to sound awful. When different stakeholders edit local spreadsheets in silos, you get fragmented data, contradictory reports, and completely outdated performance trends. On the flip side, central master tracking acts as your conductor. It's a single source of truth that ensures alignment, accurate measurement, and crystal clear accountability. Without it, you are essentially flying blind. And you know what that version drift inevitably leads to? Something we call metric stagnation. This is a complete operational failure where uncoordinated local spreadsheet edits cause an organization to totally lose visibility of their actual security target completion dates and their real-time performance trends. So what does this actually mean for you? It means this metric stagnation completely blinds your leadership to the true state of your information security posture. You might feel like you're secure, but the actual data you need to prove that is lost in a maze of conflicting files. Now picture this harsh reality during an audit. An auditor sits down, looks at your fragmented records, and they almost always uncover a fatal flaw. It gets documented simply as, the tracker shows failed security objectives without corrective action plans initiated. Ouch! This inevitably triggers a catastrophic major non-conformance under the timeless information security objectives and planning to achieve them clause. Because honestly, when objectives aren't measurable, or when you completely fail to act on missed targets, your entire compliance foundation just crumbles. It is actually wild how quickly vague objectives and ignored KPIs snowball into a massive, documented audit failure. It always starts innocently enough, right? Maybe your defined security objectives are just a bit too vague. But then your decentralized tracker reveals failed targets, and because that data is siloed away, absolutely no documented corrective action plans are ever initiated. Worse, no management reviews are conducted to address those failures. It becomes a catastrophic domino effect of noncompliance. You see, you have to remember that the standard doesn't just ask you to set goals and forget them. It demands rigorous oversight. This is explicitly dictated by the strict mandate of the Monitoring, Measurement, Analysis, and Evaluation Clause. This clause means that any failure to measure control effectiveness or initiate corrective actions leaves your enterprise incredibly exposed. The old saying is true: you can't manage what you don't measure. And if your measurement is trapped in a broken, decentralized spreadsheet, you are absolutely failing this mandate. To survive this kind of modern scrutiny, you simply cannot rely on the obsolete, superseded standards of a bygone era. Ad hoc tracking just can't handle today's incredibly complex threat landscape or these rigorous audit requirements. Instead, you absolutely must adopt the latest version of the standard, one which withstands the test of current times and evolved learning curves. It's really all about migrating your organization from fragility to a robust, totally future-proof methodology. Okay, so if decentralized spreadsheets are the disease here, what's the cure? Let's introduce the veteran solution, the Premium ISMS Objectives and Performance Tracker. This is a highly specialized Excel tool designed to instantly cure version drift and completely eliminate metric stagnation. It takes the sheer chaos of local edits and replaces it with a streamlined, authoritative framework that brings total visibility directly back to your executive leadership. Now, I want to be super clear here. This is not just some generic spreadsheet a junior analyst threw together on a Friday afternoon. Not at all. It was expertly crafted by an elite committee of information security industry experts, principal auditors, and lead instructors operating under the aegis of the ISO Training Institute. Every single column, every metric, and every workflow in this tracker has been heavily battle-tested in real-world, high-stakes compliance environments. And here is the magic number that makes this tool so incredibly powerful right out of the box: 19. The tool comes preloaded with exactly 19 built-in, predefined information security objectives and measurable KPIs. Think about that for a second. You don't have to guess what you should be tracking or waste weeks trying to define metrics that an auditor might finally accept. The heavy lifting has already been done for you by actual industry veterans. What's brilliant is how this framework seamlessly enforces the compliance with policies, rules, and standards for information security control across your entire organization. It proactively tracks measurable security KPIs and continuously monitors target completion dates. Crucially, it assigns precise asset and risk owners, so accountability is quite literally never in question. It even evaluates your long-term performance trends, ensuring your data is absolutely pristine and always ready for management reviews. You might be thinking, this sounds like a nightmare to set up, but despite this elite level of control, the setup is remarkably frictionless. Out of the box, the tracker uses hypothetical placeholders, things like ABC Technologies Private Limited and the acronym ABCTPL. But within literally a couple of minutes, you effortlessly swap those useless hypothetical placeholders for your true corporate identity and your official organization logo. Boom, you've instantly transformed this elite framework into your own proprietary tool. So what should you really take away from all this? It's simple. Sincere and serious implementation of this authoritative framework grants your enterprise an immediate 15 to 20-year head start in ISMS maturity. You are completely bypassing the agonizing trial, the error, and the catastrophic audit failures that most organizations just have to suffer through. Instead, you're jumping straight to a veteran-level compliance posture. Ultimately, this whole explainer boils down to survival in a high-stakes corporate environment. You can head over to ISO27001.institute right now to implement this master tracking framework and secure your compliance future today. But before we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one critical question to ask your team tomorrow morning. If an auditor walked into your office right now and asked for the exact status of your most critical security objective, would you hand them a definitive, proven answer or just another fragmented spreadsheet? Think about it.